What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing VULPIX from Pokemon. Now we're going to be drawing our character from the side. So let's start on the top left side of our page with the eye. Starting from the very top, we're going to draw a half circle, curving in and then back out. Let's go up to the top. We're going to curve the eye going out and then down towards a point. Curve this down and then in towards the bottom. Let's add a small oval on the top of the eye for the highlight. Come all the way down and then back up. Now from here I'm going to line up with the outside edge of the eye, step up and draw in the ear. I'm just going to curve this up and then bend that out. Curve the ear coming down and then in towards the back of the head. Let's add that fold inside the ear. Starting from the tip, just going to curve this in and then down, aiming towards the eye. And we'll add that zigzag pattern along the inside. From the top, angle up, come back down. Let's add a few smaller ones coming down towards the base of the ear. Let's go to the bottom of the ear. Just going to curve the head coming down and then out. Now from here, we're going to layer the hair on top of the head. From the base of the ear, we're going to step up, curve the hair going up, and then down. Curve the hair going out, and pulling that back up towards the top. Let's create an overlap. We're going to step out, curve the hair going up, and bending that down. And then we'll add that swirl. Going up, almost like drawing a half circle, pulling that back in on top of the ear. Now we're going to swirl the hair around. So we step over, curve out, up, and then back down. Now we'll layer two more curls in behind. Starting from the very top, go up, and then bend that down on top of the head, step out, curve up, and then back down. Now I'm going to move over toward the left side of the hair and draw the side of the head. Curve this out, and then down, curve this out, and then down towards the front of the head. Now we're going to work our way down towards the chin. From here, curve down and then in towards the mouth. Come down towards the bottom of the chin and then pull that back up. And then round out the neck, curving in and then down. Then we'll go back up to the top and add the nose. Start with a curve going up and then down. And from the ends, we're going to curve this down and in towards the center point. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left. And we'll fill the outside of the nose in black. Let's go back down and draw in the mouth. Starting up here, curve this in and then down. Round out the bottom of the mouth, just tuck that up underneath. Let's draw the left ear tucked in behind the side of the head. Starting from the top, curve this up, bend that out. Taper that back in towards the side of the hair. And then go back up to the top, curve the bottom of the ear coming down and then in towards the side of the head. Let's add a little bit more texture to the base of the hair. Starting from the tip, curve this up and in, step over, draw a shorter curve. Now that we complete the head, let's work our way towards the back of the body. From the base of the head, we're going to step up, curve the body coming down and then out. We're going to round out the back, come down and then in. And from the bottom, we're going to draw a short angle line coming down towards the heel, curve the leg coming down and then back out towards the bottom of the foot. Let's round out the bottom of the foot. We come down and then up, round out the top of the foot and pull that back down. Let's go to the top of the foot, curve in and then up, and I'll round out the thigh, going out and pulling that up. Now from here, I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the front of the body. Starting from the base of the head, curve this out, down, and then in. And it'll overlap the front leg on top of the body. From here, we're going to step up, straight down, and then over towards the right, curve down, and then out. Let's round up the foot. Going out and then back in. Curve the bottom of the foot, coming back up towards the heel. Now we're going to bend the leg going back up towards the body, coming up towards the top. Now we're going to continue the curve of the body in between the legs. So we're going to line this up, come down, and then pull that up. Now we want to draw that same leg in behind the body on the left side. Starting from the top, come down and in, down and out, and then we'll round out the foot, going out and back in. Let's draw that same hind leg in the back, starting up here, down towards the heel, round out the bottom of the foot, and curve the top of the foot, going up and then down, go to the top, curve in, and then up behind the body. Now we're going to go back and separate the toes with two curves, starting from the outside, curve up and in, leave a gap, and draw that twice. Let's do the same thing to each foot. Now before we draw on that tail, let's add that patch in the center of the body. Starting from the very top, just going to curve this in, just pull that down towards the top edge of the leg. And then in between the legs, curve down and then up. Now there's 6 layers to the tail. Let's start with the one at the very bottom, starting from the side of the body, curving out and then up. Just going to round this out, and come down towards the bottom. I just want to swirl this around, going around, up, and then back out. Let's go back to the inside of the tail, step down, curve this out, and then down. Now we're going to add the second layer in behind. From the top, we'll step up, out, and then up. We'll round this out, come down along the side, and then just pull that back in. Let's add that swirl on the inside, starting from the top, going up, and then bending that down. And then we'll add the third layer, stepping up, curving out and up, go all the way up towards the top, round this out, and pull that down. And we'll add a small fold along the inside, going up and then out. Now from here we're going to start from the very top and work our way back towards the body. Starting from the very top here, curves up, bending that down, rounding this out, and pulling that back down towards the top of the body. Add one more fold along the inside, going up. Let's add in the 5th layer, going in and then down, rounding out the bottom, and then pulling that down towards the body. And then we'll add one more, stepping down, curve out, and then in. And that's pretty much it. There's VULPIX from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.